Right, so we got the car on the ground, off the trailer. I took it around the block, and at 550, this thing is a missile. I can't wait to hop into that Haltech down there and bump it up to the 681 tune and just eat this weekend at Streetcar Takeover. Should be an absolute blast. I don't know. This is probably the first overview of the engine bay you guys have seen. So I've got the titanium hood exit, obviously charge piping, catch cam, which is also coolant overflow, vacuum distribution, MAC valve. Overall, I'm super excited about the way this car's going so far. It has sucked rushing the build. The past few weeks, I haven't had time to clean my shop once, and with not living here, it has been a hassle. But it all changes at the end of this month. We're moving back in. We're going full swing again. Also, stick around to see what we got going on here with my buddy Gavin's Integra we talked him into buying. It's kind of a clapper right now, but we're fixing that. I'll give you a slight hint. Yeah, Glow. So yeah, we will see you next time.
Z33 or Z32? It's a big problem. How do we determine who's winning? Give me that shit. Oh! Grab your dick and push Where am I?
Okay, so we made it to Indy, and we have been driving this car left and right everywhere, even drove it through a rainstorm. The titanium is starting to color, and it is starting to look really good. But now that it is done raining here, we're taking the S2000 and the Vet to the pre-meet with the guys, and after that, we're gonna go get some dinner. So, see you then. Here to Grammar Hall Performance for the Streetcar Takeover pre-meet. It's pretty deep regarding all the rain. The S2000 almost killed me like 10 times. Other than that, we're good to go, and we'll get some racing going on in the next clip. So as you see, we are back home, and I just forgot to put this in there. So the S2000 did start misfiring, couldn't figure out exactly what it was. I threw new plugs at it, didn't fix it. And then the next day I realized that it could have fried the coil packs. They were stock to the car. So I went to AutoZone and threw some Duralast coil packs on it and cleared it up. So this next clip is it misfiring pretty bad. That was a kind of an easy diag, but a tough one at the same time because I just had so much stuff going through my head. To nobody's surprise, blew the diff in the S2000, so we are going to be tow strapping this thing home with the Supra, or not home, geez. We're taking it back to the track. Eric Jarvis, my tuner, is bringing a whole rear subframe for me to rob the diff out of, so shouts to that. That guy's dope. Let's find a spot for the tow hook. Let's go gambling. I would like to think that the average person would not be doing this, but we are not average people. So shouts to my brother Logan for flat towing me back to the track with the Supra. This is exactly what Toyota intended these cars to be doing. So we're just gonna get to it. I think we might have lost a strap because he's taking this turn at 100. Yeah, there we go. We're good to go. We don't do this often because, you know, I have a Duramax. So. track's kind of wrapping up for the night. We just got the differential out of the S2000. Shouts to Gavin and Logan, who's also taking a YouTube video. The guys showed up. They brought us all the tools from the Airbnb, so thanks to them. Hopefully now we can, all of us can go get drunk and, well, because now we can't race, but it's all good. We'll get them next time. Pouring out for the boys.
Rest in peace, Dave.
Rest easy.
Yeah, what do you mean? Yep, that's good. Hey, good job, everyone.
Good job.
Yeah. Thanks, Sam.
Thanks, Sam.
Sam brought the diff. Thanks, Sam. I got you. Bring it in. Sweet. Good soup. Woo!
I drink to that.
Yeah. Someone give me a Miller.
Yo, we're at the second meet spot. This is pretty cool. We're pretty deep. Just cars from trailers and shit. I imagine they're gonna start doing digs. Scouting the competition out for the S tomorrow. So we shall see what's going on. Let's start holding my hand. Okay, so as you can obviously tell, we got the S2000 back up and going. Big shouts to everyone that helped. All the information I needed, everyone suggested people that had some. Big shouts to Logan and Gavin for helping me throw it in. We're now currently rolling to go get dinner. This car's a little bumpy and loud, so if you cannot hear me, I do apologize. I will do a voiceover, but if I do a voiceover, it's gonna sound rough, so bear with me. So we are posted up at Bubba's 33. No clue what it is, but it's kind of basically like a pub. Everyone made it here. Clutch is kind of getting toast on the S, so I think that is next. Is an 8.8 diff swap with a probably decent clutch. I don't want to go too much because I will be T56 swapping the car. So honestly, I will say I'm very pleased with how the car has performed. I don't think anyone really understands that this is the first time this car's been out with 90 to 95% of the new parts on it. The only thing that is on it right now that was on it before is the suspension, and the right rear strut is completely blown from drive over here. So I will be getting some Fortunatos. Don't mind the screeching noise in the background, no clue what that's from. But so Fortunatos, probably another stage 3 clutch, and then an 8.8 diff swap. And then shortly after that, it will be a T56 car and probably an inline pro block. Not sure yet, but we should be good to go. And I think we are ready to get some grub. So I will update you the next time something breaks tonight. So we're at a meet apparently, no clue where. I guess it's the True Motorsports building. Get ready to see what we can get into for the night. Transmission on the S is a little warm, so not sure if it's gonna fuck off or not, but if it does, this is me calling it, time stamped. It's like 11:30 at night, so on Saturday. This is like the cleanest 92-93 DB6 GSR Integra. It's like DA9 body style, so it's got a B17. Dude, this thing is gorgeous. We're deep. We're deep. No, honestly, it's pretty deep out here. Got a race lined up with a C5Z with a 427. It's, I think it's that one actually. This one right here. It says the silver one with the black up the middle, so that's what I'm looking at. So we'll see what we do. It's hard telling. Yeah, it's this one. Yeah, this is the one.
Oh, this is it.
Yeah. 427 NA. Huh?
Are you recording?
Yeah. What's your prediction?
We're gonna gap that something.
Let's hope.
No, that's
That's a badass car.
He's got some skinks on it.
What do you think?
I think that motherfucker sprayed.
Oh, man, I don't know. It's probably something.
Dude. I'm actually convinced.
big shouts to everyone that helped this weekend. I had a blast. It was a great time cruising with the Supra, with the S2000 finally done. You know, they're never done, but it was an absolute blast. And I can't wait for next year for Streetcar Takeover again. And other than that, thanks for everyone for watching and supporting.